What is success? Everyone want to success in our life, but you have to think, you have to be do hard work for success. Success can be viewed as the measure of satisfaction and happiness you have in the major part of your life. So both you have to be managed. If you want to be satisfaction and happiness. Success does not have any course of events. Just for example, it does not make a difference in what you are in the past. It is important what you are in the present. The best approach success is anything but a straight one. It has loads of exciting bends in the road, and in some cases U-turn in the life of a person. In some cases, many we have seen. Just one U-turn make very successful of your leading life. To get successful in your life, most importantly, you need set your objectives. You should be set your goals. Those things which will help you in making progress. So some of objectives, some of aims you have to be key for successing, and you have to be go through the planning of achieving the successful.